Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul and today we have another unboxing. This time, as you can see from the package, we have a Seiko. And yeah, basically this one I saw on Amazon. I really liked the dial, how it looked. The price was good, around 150 euros. And so the reference number is SUR543P1. And let's see how it looks. Another box. So if you have two boxes, that means there is, especially in this price range, there is a lot, at least 20-25 euros from your money going to the box. By the way, on this channel, I try to unbox and review a lot of watches in all price ranges that I can. So if you want me to review any watch, leave it in the comment section. And as always, invitation to subscribe to the video. So here we go. We have, as you can see, the Seiko SUR543P1. The dial is what was very enticing. So I ordered the watch, and as you can see, here is why. You have a large date on the 6 o'clock. You have the ticking hands. This canvas strap, Seiko branded. Let's get down to the specs first. So it's a 39.5 millimeter watch in diameter. Lug to lug is 46. Thickness is around 10 millimeters, and it has a lug width of 20 millimeters. So you have here a large date at the 6 o'clock. So if we change, let's see how the date jumps to the next day. So basically like two discs, and you might not see it from the camera, but they're on different heights, the two discs in the date window. And I really like how the dial has a lot of grooves, and the case is brushed all over. Some chamfers here are polished just to play with the light on the bezel, and on the side of the bezel and on the case you have, like I said, drilled lug holes, which makes it much easier to change straps. By the way, I'm wearing Casio, my favorite Sunday watch. So let me take this off. So I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, and this is how it would look on this gray strap. Maybe I would put it on another strap because the strap is very hard, and I don't think I will be able to like wear it out in 1 or 2 weeks, just to get a feel on how it looks and feels on my wrist. I'll change the strap and come back to you. So I put the watch on this Artem sailcloth style strap, and that's how it looks on my wrist. I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist on the side. This dial is really nice, I have to say. So I'll test it out for a week or two, and maybe I'll do a full review on it because it's a really interesting watch. And I have also a couple of watches that I will be unboxing that are almost in the similar price range. So maybe I'll do a comparison video. This one with maybe a Citizen, even if it's Tina, and then another Casio. So just to have like the 4 usual suspects of affordable watches around 150 euros. And I think that would be interesting. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested in such a video, and I'll be uploading it then soon enough as well. So what can I say more about this watch? I think I covered it all. here we have a little bit of information about the stainless steel, water resistant 10 bar that I forgot to notice. Sapphire crystal as well. Yeah, these are two very important things. So basically why I chose this as well, it has 10 bar water resistance. So basically you can, it's not screw down crown, but you can take it swimming, weekends, on your trip. And it has a sapphire crystal, so it won't scratch. That's another one, another point that I've been really turning into more liking sapphire than any other thing, because it's less prone to scratches. So that's about it. I really like the watch. I'll make a review video about it because of I think the combination of sapphire crystal with the really nice textured dial like this, the loom, to be expected from Seiko, it should be good. We have loom on the hands and only one pip on the 12, which is okay, at least to give us an indication which is where is the north or where is the 12 when the watch is lying on its side on the bed stand or something like this. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions about this watch or any other watch in the comment section. And as always, this is the invitation to like, hit the subscribe button, which will be here, and maybe these two videos might interest you as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.